Next, we'll talk about how we can consider sums of the angles of a polygon, where if we wanted to, we could look at something similar to the argument we made using Euclid's theorem in the last section on triangles to get some information in terms of a whole bunch of transversal angles. But instead, we're just kind of going to jump ahead to get our general formula here. So we are going to say that in general, the sum of a polygon's angles is going to be n minus 2 times 180 degrees for number of sides n, where the most basic case then would be the triangle, the most basic polygon, the polygon of 3 sides, where if you do that, you'd have 3 minus 2, 1 times 180 gives you 180, just like we saw with Euclid's theorem. So let's take a look at another example here where we're going to use that formula in the context of finding the sum of angles for a pentagon. Now here, we would have that n is equal to 5. Pentagons are the 5-sided polygons. So, let's use the formula. The sum of our angles would just be 5 minus 2 times 180 degrees, or 3 times 180 degrees, which tells us that the sum of angles of a pentagon is 540 degrees. And we're going to see how that information can be used in the last little bit of stuff we'll cover in here on what are called tessellations.